In this video, we're going to show you how to install the oil pressure switch on your Honda Ridgeline, located on the passenger side lower portion of the engine. Using a 22mm socket, you want to go loosen and remove your lug nuts. Now that you have your lug nuts removed, grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. With the passenger side wheel removed, you can go ahead and access the oil pressure switch. It's located right here, just above the CV axle, and is attached to the housing where your oil filter is located. There is an electrical connector on the top here, or a harness. You're gonna reach around and push in on the tab, pinch and pull up, wiggling that. And we're going to use a 22mm wrench to go ahead and loosen this. Once you break that free, you should be able to spin that out by hand. Now you might lose a little bit of oil through here, so you want to have a catch can or maybe some rags or something underneath to catch some of that oil. What I'm going to do before I pull that out completely, I'm going to go ahead and prep the new switch. So let's go ahead and take care of that. Now, prepping this switch here, we went ahead and wrapped some thread tape around here. You can use a liquid thread tape if you want, just don't get it inside the port here. Let's go ahead and unthread this here. Now when you remove this, there is an O-ring. Ours is coming off with the switch itself. Sometimes this O-ring itself might be still on the engine portion here. So what we're gonna do is take the newly supplied O-ring and set that on the engine portion right here. Take a little dab of oil and just rub that on the O-ring seal itself. Take our new switch, line that up. I'm going to thread that down as far as you can by hand. Now I'm going to go ahead and gently snug this down. Now that just bottomed out. This doesn't have to be super, super tight, nor do you want to put a lot of pressure on this. But you do want to make sure that it is snug. So just kind of snug that down gently. That O-ring seal is going to do all of its work right there. Go ahead and grab that harness. We're going to line that up. Line it up and just push it down, and you're going to hear it and feel it snap into place. Go ahead and remove your towels. Install your wheel. Okay, and grab that wheel. Line that up. Let's go ahead and get our lug nuts all started by hand. Once these are all started, I'm going to go ahead and snug them all down. Torque down your lug nuts to 94 foot-pounds. When doing this, you want to do this in a crisscross or star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.